What if I told you that the secret to manifesting your dreams isn't some complex ritual or expensive program? It's something you're doing right now without even thinking about it. Breathing. Yes, the simple act of inhaling and exhaling holds the key to unlocking your deepest desires. But here's the catch. Most of us are breathing all wrong. We rush through life, taking shallow, frantic breaths that keep us stuck in stress and survival mode. What if you could flip the script and use your breath to create the life you've always wanted? Imagine this. You're sitting quietly, taking slow, deliberate breaths. With each inhale, you feel calm and focused. With each exhale, you release doubt and fear. And in the pause between breaths, that sacred moment of stillness, you visualize your dreams as if they're already real. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's science-backed, ancient wisdom that's been used for centuries to align the mind, body, and spirit. Whether you're dreaming of abundance, love, or success, your breath is the bridge to making it happen. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in and transform the way you breathe and the way you live. The Galapagos creature is a marvel of nature, showcasing the incredible power of evolutionary adaptation. Thriving in some of the harshest conditions on Earth, this creature has developed unique traits that allow it to survive and flourish where others cannot. One of its most remarkable adaptations is its slow metabolism, which enables it to conserve energy and endure long periods without food or water. This efficient use of energy is a key factor in its extraordinary longevity, with some individuals living for over 150 years, outlasting empires, civilizations, and even the changing landscapes around them. What makes this creature truly fascinating is its ability to thrive in adversity. Its resilience is a testament to nature's ingenuity, proving that life can adapt and persist even in the most challenging environments. The creature's slow, deliberate breathing, just 4 breaths per minute, plays a crucial role in its survival. This breathing pattern not only conserves energy, but also minimizes stress, allowing it to remain calm and steady in the face of extreme conditions. For humans, the Galapagos creature serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of adaptation and resilience. By studying its unique traits, we can learn valuable lessons about energy conservation, stress reduction, and the art of thriving in adversity. Its story inspires us to embrace change, harness our inner strength, and find ways to flourish, no matter the challenges we face. Nature, as always, holds the key to unlocking our greatest potential. Breathing is far more than a basic biological function. It's a powerful tool for managing stress and enhancing well-being. The Galapagos creature, with its astonishingly slow breathing rhythm of just 4 breaths per minute, offers a profound lesson in stress reduction. This deliberate pace minimizes the production of cortisol, the stress hormone, allowing the creature to remain calm and resilient even in the harshest environments. By conserving energy and maintaining a steady state, it thrives where others might falter. For humans, the connection between breathing and stress is equally significant. When we breathe rapidly or shallowly, our bodies enter a state of heightened alertness, triggering the fight or flight response. This can lead to anxiety, fatigue, and mental fog. However, by adopting a slower, more intentional breathing pattern, like the Galapagos creature, we can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and healing. Techniques such as inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 7, and exhaling for 8, the 4-7-8 method, can significantly reduce stress levels, lower cortisol, and improve mental clarity. The creature's ability to thrive under extreme conditions reminds us that stress is not an insurmountable obstacle, but a manageable challenge. By mimicking its slow, rhythmic breathing, we can tap into a natural, accessible way to reduce anxiety, conserve energy, and enhance our overall quality of life. Breathing, when done mindfully, becomes a bridge to inner peace and resilience, empowering us to navigate life's challenges with grace and calm. The connection between breathing and cellular health is a fascinating aspect of human biology, and the Galapagos creature provides a striking example of its importance. With its slow, deliberate breathing rhythm of just 4 breaths per minute, this remarkable creature ensures optimal oxygen delivery to its cells. This process enhances cellular repair and regeneration, contributing to its extraordinary longevity and ability to thrive in harsh environments. By maintaining such an efficient breathing pattern, the creature may effectively slow down the aging process at a cellular level, preserving its vitality for over 150 years. For humans, the implications are profound. Slow, deep breathing increases oxygen saturation in the blood, which is essential for cellular function and overall health. When cells receive adequate oxygen, they can repair damage, regenerate more effectively, and operate at peak efficiency. This not only boosts physical health, but also supports mental clarity and emotional well-being. Controlled breathing techniques, such as diaphragmatic breathing or the 4-7-8 method, can help humans mimic the creature's natural rhythm, promoting cellular health and potentially extending lifespan. The Galapagos creature's ability to maintain cellular health through its breathing pattern is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of breath and life. By adopting similar practices, humans can unlock the potential for improved health, vitality, and longevity. Breathing, when done mindfully, becomes more than a survival mechanism. It transforms into a tool for enhancing life at its most fundamental level. This ancient wisdom, mirrored in nature, holds the key to unlocking our fullest potential. The historical significance of breathwork spans cultures and millennia, revealing its timeless importance to human health, spirituality, and self-mastery. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Indians, revered the breath as a vital life force. The Egyptians believed breath was a gift from the gods, while the Greeks associated it with pneuma, the essence of life. In India, breathwork or pranayama became a cornerstone of yoga and spiritual practices, emphasizing the connection between breath, mind, and spirit. Breathwork was not limited to spirituality. It played a central role in healing rituals and martial arts as well. Traditional Chinese medicine incorporated breathing techniques like qigong to balance energy, qi, and promote healing. Similarly, martial arts such as Tai Chi and karate emphasize controlled breathing to enhance focus, strength, and resilience. These practices recognize that breath is more than a physical act. It is a bridge between the body, mind, and the universe. One of the most profound texts on breathwork is the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra, an ancient Indian scripture that dates back thousands of years. It details 112 meditation techniques, many of which focus on the transformative power of breath. Among these is the concept of pavi, the sacred pause between inhalation and exhalation, which unlocks higher states of consciousness. This ancient wisdom underscores the universal understanding that breath is a tool for transformation, healing, and spiritual awakening. Today, as we rediscover these ancient practices, we reconnect with a legacy that has guided humanity for centuries. Breathwork is not just a modern trend, it is a timeless practice that continues to offer profound benefits for our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. The psychological benefits of controlled breathing are profound, offering a simple yet powerful way to enhance mental and emotional well-being. By regulating our breath, we can improve focus, manage emotions, and build mental resilience. The Galapagos creature, with its slow and steady breathing rhythm of just 4 breaths per minute, exemplifies this connection. Its calm and steady demeanor, even in the face of extreme environmental challenges, suggests that its breathing pattern plays a key role in maintaining psychological balance. For humans, controlled breathing acts as a natural tool for stress reduction and emotional regulation. Techniques like deep diaphragmatic breathing or the 4-7-8 method activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which counteracts the fight-or-flight response. This shift not only reduces anxiety, but also enhances clarity and focus, allowing us to approach challenges with a calm and composed mindset. Additionally, breathwork fosters mindfulness by anchoring our attention to the present moment, helping us break free from the cycle of overthinking and worry. The creature's ability to remain calm under pressure serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of breath in maintaining mental resilience. By adopting similar practices, humans can cultivate emotional stability, improve decision-making, and navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease. Breathwork is more than a physical exercise. It is a gateway to inner peace, emotional balance, and a deeper connection to ourselves. In a fast-paced world, the simple act of breathing mindfully can be a transformative practice for enhancing psychological well-being. The link between breathing and energy conservation is a fascinating aspect of both natural and human physiology, and the Galapagos creature offers a striking example of its importance. With its remarkably slow breathing rhythm of just 4 breaths per minute, this creature conserves energy efficiently, enabling it to thrive in resource-scarce environments. By minimizing unnecessary energy expenditure, it maintains its vitality and resilience, even in the harshest conditions. This adaptation highlights the profound connection between breath and energy management. For humans, adopting similar breathing techniques can yield significant benefits. In our fast-paced, high-stress lives, rapid and shallow breathing often leads to fatigue and burnout. By practicing slow, controlled breathing, such as the 4-7-8 method or diaphragmatic breathing, we can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and reduces energy drain. This not only helps combat fatigue, but also enhances stamina, allowing us to perform at our best in both physical and mental tasks. Energy conservation through breathwork is particularly crucial for achieving peak performance, whether in sports, work, or daily life. Athletes, for instance, use controlled breathing to optimize oxygen intake and maintain endurance. Similarly, professionals can use breathwork to stay focused and productive during long hours. The Galapagos creature's ability to thrive with minimal energy expenditure reminds us that efficiency is key to sustainability. By mastering the art of mindful breathing, we can conserve our energy, boost our resilience, and unlock our full potential in every aspect of life. The pause between breaths, known as pavi, holds deep spiritual significance across many traditions, symbolizing the delicate balance between creation and dissolution, life and death. In the ancient teachings of the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra, this momentary stillness is revered as a gateway to higher consciousness. It is in this sacred pause that the mind transcends its usual chatter, allowing us to connect with the infinite and experience a sense of unity with the universe. Pavi represents the essence of existence, the space where opposites merge and harmony is restored. It is a reminder that life is not just about action, but also about stillness, not just about doing, but also about being. By focusing on this pause during breathwork, we can tap into a profound sense of peace and clarity. This practice helps us release attachments, quiet the mind, and access deeper layers of our being. Harnessing the power of Paviyai can lead to spiritual awakening and self-realization. It invites us to explore the stillness within, where our true nature resides. In this space, we discover that we are not separate from the universe, but an integral part of its flow. By embracing the pause, we learn to live with greater awareness, presence, and gratitude. This ancient wisdom, echoed in the breathing patterns of the Galapagos creature, reminds us that the key to spiritual growth lies in the simplest of acts, the breath. Through Paviyai, we find balance, transcendence, and the timeless essence of who we truly are. Visualization is a powerful tool that, when combined with breathwork, can amplify the power of intention and accelerate the process of manifestation. By creating vivid mental images of our goals and desires during controlled breathing, we engage the subconscious mind, which is highly receptive in this state. The Galapagos creature, with its remarkable ability to thrive in extreme conditions, may owe part of its resilience to an innate, intuitive connection with its environment, a form of natural visualization that aligns its existence with the rhythms of nature. For humans, visualization during breathwork serves as a bridge between the conscious and subconscious mind. When we visualize our desires as already achieved, feeling the emotions, sensations, and details, we send a clear message to our subconscious. This process aligns our energy with our intentions, making it easier to attract opportunities and take inspired actions toward our goals. Techniques like the 111 breaths method, which incorporates visualization during the breath hold, PVII, are particularly effective in programming the subconscious for success. The creature's harmony with its surroundings reminds us of the importance of aligning ourselves with our environment and inner aspirations. By combining visualization with breathwork, we can cultivate a deeper connection to our dreams, enhance focus, and manifest our desires with greater ease. This practice transforms breath from a simple biological function into a profound tool for creating the life we envision. Through visualization, we tap into the limitless potential of our minds and the universe itself. Breathwork is a universal practice that transcends cultural, geographical, and historical boundaries, offering profound benefits to all who embrace it. From ancient yogic traditions to modern mindfulness practices, the power of breath has been recognized as a tool for healing, transformation, and spiritual growth. The Galapagos creature, with its slow and deliberate breathing rhythm of just 4 breaths per minute, is a natural embodiment of this universal principle. Its ability to thrive in extreme conditions demonstrates the timeless connection between breath, resilience, and vitality. For humans, breathwork offers a pathway to reconnect with a deeper, more primal part of ourselves. In a world dominated by stress and distraction, controlled breathing techniques provide a way to restore balance, clarity, and inner peace. Practices like the 4-7-8 method, diaphragmatic breathing, or the 1-1-1 breaths technique are accessible to everyone, regardless of background or belief system. They remind us that breath is not just a physical act, but a bridge to our subconscious mind, our emotions, and our higher consciousness. The creature's breathing pattern serves as a natural example of how simplicity and intentionality can lead to extraordinary outcomes. By adopting these techniques, we can tap into the same universal wisdom that has guided humanity for centuries. Breathwork is more than a practice. It is a reminder of our shared humanity and our connection to the natural world. Through breath, we rediscover our innate capacity for resilience, healing, and transformation, unlocking the potential to live more fully and authentically. And there you have it, the power of your breath, unlocked for instant manifestation. It's incredible to think that something as simple as breathing can hold the key to creating the life you've always dreamed of. But as you've seen, it's not just about breathing, it's about breathing with intention, focus, and belief. When you align your breath with your desires, you tap into a force that's been within you all along. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried this breathing technique? What are you manifesting in your life? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear your experiences, your goals, and how this practice is working for you. Don't forget to share this video with someone who needs a little extra inspiration. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that button so you don't miss out on more life-changing tips like this. Remember, your breath is your superpower. Use it wisely and watch as your dreams come to life. Until next time, keep breathing, keep believing, and keep manifesting. You've got this.